Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to set a charging limit on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to uh, your battery to work more time than regular, and if you want to increase your battery health, so what you have to do, you have to simply set your charging limit on iPhone so that it doesn't overcharge your iPhone. So if you want to do that, for this what you have to do simply you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general. And after that, you have to simply go to software update. And here you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the iOS. And after checking for the latest version, what you have to do, you have to simply go to battery. And after battery, you have to simply check for charging option. So if you are a user of iPhone 11 and other devices, not iPhone 14 or 15 or 16, then you will be automatically monetize your battery, and you can simply set for battery health and charging, and see you have to turn all the optimize battery charging. So it will, what it will do to reduce battery aging. iPhone learns from your daily charging routine, so it can wait to finish charging fast until 80% you need to use it. So it will not overcharge your iPhone if you turn on the optimized battery charging. But if you have iPhone 14, 15 or 16, then you can simply do these settings. You have to simply go to battery, and you can simply set the charge limit, and you can simply set the time for it. And after that, your charging will finish in the required time. So in this way, you can simply check for charging limit. So that it will not overcharge your iPhone. So it will also increase your battery health, and you do not have to change or replace your battery in a shorter time. So you can increase your battery health, and it will also improve your iPhone performance. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.